You don't need a lot of water.
Nope. Because she is not eating this. I got all kinds of.
Yeah.
Look at you. Got you in the sun. Seeing if we can get you to. We gotta get you a new cage. We need to find a cage for me to go get one.
There you go. It's mixed water.
Let's see if I can get you to take your medicine, shall we? Can you hold it like that?
Yep.
And I can try to, because I'm having trouble getting it in.
Okay, now
Something's stuck.
I'll rinse this off. You suck up the water with it.
Okay.
Okay, time to fly, my jolie. Allez, allez. Le seatbelt. Allez, allez, au revoir. Allez, allez, allez. Hélicoptère, top, top, top.
Should we get your medicine? We'll go get the medicine, huh? Look at you. It's actually hopping. He or she is actually hopping. That's a
Good sign.
good sign.
All right.
Okay, let's try this so you can take your medicine, shall we? Okay, can we give you your medicine? Can we give you this medicine? It'll make you feel better.
It's working. She was just rolling, or he or she was just rolling. So yeah, that made a difference.
Well, and God.
Yeah, well, yeah, huge. That's the number one.
That's number one.
Your mom hasn't spoken to her family.
Right. Should we put you like this?
I don't know my Tiwi now, so I don't know her side of the story, but essentially, my mum left some Tiwi fella at the altar.
Yeah, good.
With my dad.
You good? And see his little mouth. And again, take your medicine. Then I'll try critical care again. And we're gonna have to figure out how to do that. Maybe get him some, see if we can start him on a little bit of the regular food that we're giving rabbits. Because look at, he's full of pee and, oops, sorry.
Huh.
That got stuck, critical care got stuck in there. Sorry, my bad. I didn't mean to do that. I had a piece of hard critical care. There we go. Now it's smooth sailing. Look at him. Now we can put it in just a little bit further. But if you look at his teeth, I can see his little teethers. And two more. And we'll look at his eyes and stuff too. He or she, I don't know the sex of it. Look, he's like, give me some more. I like that. Tastes like apples. Sure does. It's almost done. Okay, now hold on. Don't go nowhere. I gotta get every last bit because this is your medicine. Here you go, a little bit more. We're almost done. You just have to get some critical care in you tonight. Perfect. Now, this thing stinks. Can you jump? Can you hop? Is your head looking better? Here, we can go like this too. So if you're hungry, it's okay. It's okay. You got it. You already got critical care all over you. Here you go. You gotta start somewhere. That's a good... Come on. Come on. That's good.
Mm-hmm. That's a good sign. Instead of rolling, it's moving straight, or well, it's moving, it's not rolling.
You know what you remind me of? Reminds me of a turtle. I'm not washing your eyes. I'm just gonna wash your body. Because your body's full of critical care and pee and... We'll work on your eye in just a second here. You have to make it feel good. You got critical care on you and poopy and pee-pee. Okay, and then we're gonna get some different water for...
See, this is distilled.
Okay, distilled water. Thank you for giving me kisses. Okay, this I'm gonna need your help, I think. I need a scissor.
Mm-hmm.
Because we're gonna scissor this off.
Oh, just to get some of the hair off of there?
Around his eye, yeah. Hi. Thank you. Because from him laying in his own urine is scalding his eye. You can even use my scissor, my pink one in the bedroom.
That's what I was looking for, something smaller.
Thank you, buddy. Or lady, whatever you are. Just don't bite me, okay? We're gonna move this, okay? We're gonna move that. You don't want to use any type of water, but distilled water or drinking water, not tap water, or anything from the well. What are you doing? That kind of hurts when you do that. Okay, you're gonna have to either hold him, her, him, it, so I can get this up around. So you want to hold like so. Trust me, buddy. Girl, boy, whoever you are. Taking the fur off around your eye right now. And like right there. You're gonna have to flip this so he's it. I keep on calling it a he.
Yeah.
Just like that. Careful. Okay, that part right there.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to grab his
Whisker.
little whiskey.
Okay.
Little whiskey.
Okay.
We gotta get this off.
The matting?
Yep.
Okay.
Can we get you go like this? There you go. We'll just go like this. There we go. Can you go get me the little brush?
Where is it?
There's one even in the...
Oh, in
the
one of those little...
yeah. We're gonna get you better. We're just gonna put you like this. Good. Good job. Good job. Good job. Yeah, good job. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, yes, a good job. I'm trying to help you out too, okay? You can give me some triple antibiotic too.
What's that?
If you see the triple antibiotic, I'm gonna take some of this hair down.
Okay, I found triple antibiotic.
I'm gonna take some of this hair. Can I go like this? Whoop.
Brush.
There we go. Miracle, miracle, you got a miracle. You are a miracle. Mr. or Mrs. Miracle. I know, we're just trying to get all that nasty off. I'll be careful. There we go. Now let's put a little bit of. You wanna flip that off?
Mm-hmm. It's on tracking too.
Yeah. It likes to track. There we go, Miracle. We'll see how that goes, huh? We'll just have to keep on checking on his. There, look at that, Miracle. You have to move, honey.
Sorry, Zoe.
Zoe can't be next to the bunny right now.
Zoe, not right now.
Not right now.
I know you're curious.
Do you want to try to give him, go and get some, whatever you call it? Some,
Some food? I think you have some in the other.
no, that's old food from a different rabbit.
Oh.
I see your little eyeball. Yeah.